What is going on, guys? Graham David Holroyd here, coming to you live from my home office here in the United Kingdom, helping you create prosperity and fulfillment beyond your wildest imaginations through the power of digital marketing. In this video, we're going to be discussing how you can potentially earn $700 or more in the next 30 days. The number one method that I'm going to be showing you in this video is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, in brief, affiliate marketing is promoting somebody else's product and they're giving you a percentage of the price of that product, okay? So I'm going to be showing you in this video my number one affiliate product. You're not going to need any fancy websites because I'm going to give you that, okay? You're not going to need to spend any money because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can drive traffic to this one program for free, and it's completely newbie friendly. Anybody, whether you're a beginner, whether you've never heard of affiliate marketing before, you just want to make money online, whether you're a professional, okay, this affiliate product is by far the biggest thing I have ever seen, okay? And that product is, drum roll please, Builderall. Builderall, it's an all-in-one digital marketing platform, okay? It's there primarily because all these other, you'll see, I'll be honest, I'm stuttering now because I'm so excited. You'll see all over the internet, you can get email marketing, which is going to cost you a pretty penny, okay? You've got chatbots, you've got website builders, you've got all these things to integrate together, okay? And if you went out there and you started purchasing a website builder, the email marketing, the chatbot, the this, the that, the other, you're going to be looking at hundreds of dollars every single, if not thousands of dollars every single month. With Builderall, it's all in one place. Over 40 tools that have literally been put together to help you make money online. Whether it's for your business or whether you've got a business already, this will be perfect for you. So you can go build a website, sales funnel, capture leads, retarget, etc. But it also comes with a pretty awesome affiliate program. Okay, here's the affiliate program and here's how you can make money with Builderall. Step number one, there's a link in the description to this video. Go click that link. It will take you to a page that looks like this. This is Builderall 4.0 launch. Okay. The launch of Builderall. Builderall was actually, it came out a fair few years ago now by Eric Salgado, is the CEO, he's the mastermind behind it all. But let's get down to the nitty gritty. You are here because you want to make money, okay? So Builderall's affiliate program, you earn 100%, let me say that again, 100% commissions, okay, on the first time somebody buys Builderall using your unique affiliate link. Builderall, as it stands, because the price is going up, is $69.90 per month. Somebody comes into Builderall through your affiliate link, you get paid $69.90, 100%, minus a few little fees, okay? The second month they pay, because it's membership based product, you get 30% every single month, providing they stay signed up to Builderall. Here's one cool fact. You're selling Builderall, okay? And let's say, for instance, you're selling Builderall to businesses. The last thing a business wants to give up is their website. Why? If their website stops, their business pretty much stops because they're not getting leads, They're not getting appointments. So their business stops. So the last thing they're going to want to stop paying is their Builderall account. Now, here's where it gets a little more interesting. And this is, I'll be honest, I was shocked when I heard about this myself. I've been with Builderall for many years now. And back then, I was in shock, and I still am today, because not only is Builderall just an affiliate program, it's a 2-tier affiliate program. Now, what does that mean for you? If you've not heard the term 2-tier affiliate program, let's say for instance, I sign you up to Builderall. You go out there and you start promoting Builderall and you make a sale. I also make a sale. So it's in my best interest to help you with Builderall. And same goes for you. You bring, let's say, John into the business. John, he doesn't have a business. He just wants to make money promoting Builderall. Every time John makes a sale, you also earn a commission. That's one of the best things I love about Builderall, is that it's a 2-tier affiliate program. Now, 2-tier affiliate programs are very hard to come by. I highly suggest you get involved straight away, especially because Builderall, again, the launch of Builderall 4.0 is October 1st. So if you want to get involved, you're not going to pay $69.90 today, okay? Using my unique affiliate link, I am going to let you get involved with Builderall and get instant approval to be an affiliate for $1. That's right, $1 whole. If you're here to make money online and you have $1, invest it in that link below. Just click the link, follow everything that it says. It'll show you that some of the prizes that we've got coming for this Builderall 4.0 launch. It's amazing, it really is. Not only can you win prizes on the launch, but you're going to be earning money as well, providing you put the effort in, okay? Now, I did say at the beginning, I'm going to show you a simple way of getting traffic to your link. Many ways, there really is. You've all got social media. I'm pretty sure you've all got Facebook. I'm pretty sure you've all got Twitter. You've got LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. Why not, especially for Facebook, just go onto your timeline with your affiliate link and just type something very simple. Who on my friends list has a business, and are you looking to create a website for your business? Just send me a quick PM. Something very simple like that will attract people to come and have a chat with you, because they're intrigued. They want to know what you're offering, okay? Try not to be a salesperson, okay? Try to be a person of value. People respect more from people with value. And I'll be honest, you may have heard this term before, but people do not buy salespeople, if that makes sense. People buy people because I'm providing you value and providing you content so you can know, like, and trust me. If you do the exact same thing, people would rather buy from somebody they know, like, and trust. Now, I've already mentioned what Builderall can do. It's the all-in-one digital marketing platform, which is fantastic. The $700 that I mentioned, how do you earn it? Now, number one, I'm giving you Builderall today for $1. When you make a sale, like I've already said, you're going to earn 100%. If somebody purchases the $69.90, okay? All you need is 10 people with $1. Once you've paid the $1, somebody pays you the $1, in 30 days time, they will be rebilled for the $69.90. That's when you get the commission, okay? Unless somebody pays the $69.90 straight away, okay? If somebody pays that $69.90 straight away, you get that 100%, okay? What most people are doing now is they're promoting the $1, hence the reason why I'm here, showing you how simple it is to make money online with Builderall. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, I want you to be the one to see it first, okay? Because I provide tips and tricks to help you create prosperity and fulfillment, again, beyond your wildest imagination. My name is Graham David Holroyd, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.